Hi everyone, it's Julesy. I'm back with another quick knitting tip, a knit quickie. This one is all about casting on. Now this is the way my nan taught me how to cast on many years ago, so I don't actually know what it's called. I don't even know if it's official, but I'm going to show you anyway. And if you have other ideas on how to cast on, please feel free to share in the comments. I mean, I am from down under, so we do things differently here. It's probably all upside down. Anyway, let's get started. So first thing you're going to need is your needles. I'm on straight needles today, your working yarn, and you're going to leave a length of yarn to cast on your stitches with. Now for the purpose of casting on, this end of the yarn with the tail is called your long tail. The other side, when we hold it in our hand, is called our working yarn. And the way we're going to distinguish it is we're going to create a slip knot in the middle. And the way we do that is to create a loop like so, crossing your yarn over. Nice little loop. Hold that in this hand, which is the left hand. Then actually, you might want to do it the other way if you are a lefty, but I'm a righty, and so I hold it this way. Then you're going to grab another loop like so and pass it through to create a slip knot. Now the reason it's called a slip knot is because you can slip it to make it bigger or smaller. It's not a tidy knot, it's a slippy knot. Now you're going to pop your needle through there like so and just snugly put it onto the needle. So you don't want it too tight, you just want it nice and snug. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your long tail yarn and hold it. And then you're going to wrap him over your thumb like so. Take your needle and put it parallel up against your thumb and under that stitch. Then you're going to grab your working yarn with your other hand, fold it over the needle and then pass that over. And we've got our first cast on stitch. Woo! Okay, here we go. Got to do some more. So grab that yarn again, pass it over your thumb, needle parallel, pass the working yarn across the needle, slip that loop. Now we've got 3. Let's keep going. And each time, just see if you can do it a little bit faster. Long tail over the thumb, needle up parallel, take the working yarn across the needle, and then pass that loop over. And just keep going. It's just that simple. I could do this all day. In fact, I'm just going to keep doing it here so you can watch my hand movement as I do it. Slow it down, speed it up. And that's casting on. Just another quick tip from me. It's so lovely to be connecting with knitters from all around the world. Please remember to join my knitting community by subscribing. I'm really excited to build this little knitting community. Let's keep sharing ideas, everyone. Happy knitting.